Hey there traders. So I'm just studying the charts here at the moment. It's the weekend and I'm just going over a potential setup that's going to happen on Monday. I was showing you guys the setup, the main setup that I look for on Friday. I posted a video and literally within 15 minutes the perfect setup that I look for actually happened again. So I'm just going to run you over the charts and show you exactly what happened there. It's going to be a game changer for your trading, guys. Catch you on the inside. You're going to learn a lot in this one as well. So on Friday, I showed you guys this setup right over here. I was just explaining to you how the system works and how you could have caught a move like this, you know, a beautiful 1 to 5 risk to reward. I'll just show you the video I posted because within the next 15 minutes, this setup here happened where we got a breakout and then a reversal over here. So I just want to quickly show you the video clip here. So you can see over here, I was talking about this move over here that I've just shown you with the 1 to 6 and irritate these breakout traders. So what we can do is when our system gives us a signal and we can see that opposing price action, we can do something like this and we can trade it back to the other side of the range and catch it. Okay guys, so you can see here I was explaining this move. Now as you can see here on the right, the price was moving along here, and within 15 minutes this exact setup that I'm showing you here actually happened over here. Let me show you guys that now. Okay, so I was showing you this move here. You can see within literally the next candle or two that the setup happened here again. Now this was obviously a reversal now to the other side, okay, to the downside. Now here we get a breakout. This is why I like the breakout system combined with my system so well. Okay, as a complete system, it works super well. So you can see literally just after I posted that video, I saw this setup and this happened. All right, this was basically a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. So I just want to show you guys something on the charts here quickly on another pair that's setting up. You can see here on the Australian dollar, as the session closed, we can see the setup is actually happening over here, because that's why I like a breakout system so well, so much because it's really simple, because either three things can happen during a breakout. So there's three things that you can do. Okay, with a breakout, normally what's actually happening is it could be a fake out. So what could happen is the market could come down below these lows. So it's taking out all the liquidity, all the stops from all these traders who are currently long from here, right? So what could happen is they could come down to here and then just take it back up. So that's we could get a signal here from our reversal indicator over here when it does happen. That's one scenario that you can do. You can also take the breakout. So you can see right at this very moment you could actually take this breakout, because a breakout could work. I'm not saying that every breakout is a reversal. This breakout could actually work, okay, as a continuation move, and then it could go down between 10 to 50 pips or whatever. You could trade it as, you could purely just trade the breakout and take a nice scalp 10 to 15 pips or something like that. The third scenario that could happen is these breakout areas act as resistance or support. So what could happen is the price could do this. Now this area could act as a resistance area, and then we could trade it as a continuation move to the downside from here when we get the rejection. I'll just show you an example of that quickly. Let me just think, where did I see that? Okay guys, so I had to find another example here of the breakout continuation move, which is basically this. So do not worry about this breakout area here. We are focusing on this one here. So the third scenario that can happen is, so we'll just delete this one. You can see over here, what happens here is price breaks out. Now if you notice, what actually happens is this area here, so it wasn't actually a fake out, so it didn't reverse. But now if you haven't taken the breakout, you can play this as a continuation move. So the price breaks out, and you can see how it comes back, and it uses this previous breakout area as a support level, and then we get that continuation to the upside. Okay, so that's a third scenario that can happen. So you can literally enter like this, have your stop maybe just below the breakout area, and then target, new highs or areas where you can, looking left, or at least target like say like a 1 to 3 if you can see it's going to continue. All right, so those are basically the three scenarios that can happen. All right, you can either get a fake out. All right, so on the Australian dollar, if we just look here, what I mean is, in this scenario, in a live example, we can see here we can either trade the breakout and scalp it down, because it might be an immediate breakout. Because sometimes the market may just fly like up or down. Like in this scenario here, you can see here, bang, the market just flies up, and this is like a nice, 10, 12 pips purely just trading that breakout. But in this example here, if you've missed it, you can look at trading it as a continuation. Okay, like this. So you'd be trading from like this area up here, which is based upon this area. Or you can trade it as a reversal. So what I mean by that is, which is the most profitable one, but it's a bit of a risky trade. So we're going to get the breakout, then price may pop outside of the band. It gives us a nice reversal confirmation like this. And then you just wait for a bit of a pullback and you trade it from here all the way back up to the middle of the range, or even for it to take out the highs of this range. This is the best scenario right here, but it's maybe a little bit risky sometimes. But it's just three. That's why I like a breakout system on my chart so much, because it gives you options in terms of, because it's a very, very important area in the chart when there is a breakout, because as I say, three things can either happen: the breakout continuation, the breakout itself, or a reversal. So it's a very crucial point in the market where things are going to either change direction or it's going to be, a continuation in the original direction of the actual breakout. So just a little bit of a tip here, a little bit of a help for you guys, study your charts. This is what I like to do on the weekends, and just study scenarios. But it's good to have a system in place. A lot of people are against indicators, but it's good to have some kind of system in place which actually allows you to wait for stuff to happen first before you take trades. So if you guys are interested in more help, add me on Telegram to chat. You can check out my programs down below. If you want to take your trading to new heights, get in contact with me. Check out those links, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Peace.